My name is Matthew Kingsmith. I'm a robotics PhD student in the Dynamics and Control Systems Laboratory, and today I'll be explaining simultaneous control and trajectory estimation for collision avoidance of autonomous robotic spacecraft system. This project investigates factor graphs for autonomous navigation of spacecraft in environments with moving obstacles. This investigation began by looking at steep factor graph optimization for robot navigation, which plans collision-free state trajectories in static obstacle environments. Hence, we propose SCATE, or Simultaneous Control and Trajectory Estimation, for spacecraft control. This incorporates spacecraft vehicle dynamics, generates collision-free motion in environments with moving obstacles, which does not necessitate obstacle motion models. Finally, it additionally estimates the spacecraft's state trajectories and obstacle locations. SCATE factor graphs solve for the MAP, or maximum a posteriori, solution to the set theta, where x is the state, u is the control, and l are the obstacle locations. The TIth map solution to theta are given as theta star, where x check, u check are the planned state control, x hat, u hat, and l hat are the estimates. We can see that the navigation evolves online, as well as assigned distance fields are used to assign costs to future obstacles. Specifically, we investigated reactive skate, which embeds the TIth location of obstacle L into a signed distance field shown in figure 2. That signed distance field then updates the costs for future obstacle factors. Below, we're showing experimental validation of reactive skate, which plans without knowing future obstacle locations. I move around in our experimental facility with a Vicon wand as the robot navigates to a terminal pose. As it receives measurements, the robot adjusts the future trajectory accordingly to avoid collision and meet the terminal waypoint. We had also investigated steep navigation, which uses L tilde, or the anticipated obstacle trajectory, to generate a sequence of SDFs as shown in figure 3. This preemptive factor cost assignment occurs only once. Below, we show hardware validation of the robot navigating around a predefined obstacle trajectory, which is given on the manipulator, such that it reaches the terminal waypoint while not colliding and consuming less fuel than reactive skate. In conclusion, SCATE was proposed over steep factor graph-based autonomous navigation of spacecraft for the following reasons. It incorporates spacecraft dynamics for planning and estimation, such that control limits can be incorporated into the optimization. It additionally navigates in environments with moving obstacles, and it does not necessitate obstacle motion models to do so. SCATE also estimates the state, control, and obstacle trajectories. The efficacy of this algorithm was verified in both software and hardware on a robotic air-bearing spacecraft simulator.